Hey, it's Robin here with your very latest update on what's new in Similarweb. First up, Ad Intelligence is excited to launch the Monitor and Protect module designed to help you safeguard your brand. See exactly who's winning your paid clicks in search and how much traffic they're taking from your brand. Track competitor bidding, uncover click theft, and stay on top of brand misuse, all in one place. It's real-time protection for your traffic, budget, and brand reputation. Next, Gemini is now live in AI brand visibility, joining ChatGPT, Perplexity, and AI mode. We've also added a new LLM comparison chart so you can see how your brand shows up in major LLMs side by side. You can now access AI brand visibility through the GenAI Intelligence API, allowing you to bring AI visibility data directly into your existing reports and workflows. Track GenAI performance alongside your core business KPIs, combine it with internal data, and prove impact faster. Next, in Web Intelligence, business lines help you benchmark competitors by line of business and see what actually drives growth. Now we've brought you 3 key improvements: 25 months of history with year-over-year insights to cut through seasonality, clear descriptions so every business line is easy to understand, and new Excel exports to support deeper analysis and reporting. Over in Sales Intelligence, we're continuing to bring insights directly into the tools you already use. AI Outreach is now available directly in Gmail, letting you generate personalized drafts right inside your inbox, complete with tailored messaging and charts. AI Outreach is also now available via API, so you can connect it to any tool and automate outreach wherever you work. Sticking with Sales Intelligence, CRM enrichment has also been upgraded. Salesforce users can now enrich contacts, leads, and accounts directly inside Salesforce with dozens of data points, no extra setup, and no switching tools. And for HubSpot users, the Sales Intelligence app is now live in the HubSpot marketplace. View enriched company data and sales signals directly on your HubSpot records for a complete 360-degree view of your prospects and accounts. Well, that's it for this month, but with a string of updates like these, you can bet we'll be back soon with even more ways to help you win in the AI era. See you next time.